Guys, today we are filming for you very special car, and with this incredible SUV it will be very easy to survive in apocalypse. So get ready guys, this review will be very hot. This monster is based on Cadillac Escalade, which starts from $1,000 and $10,000. But this car, it's absolutely another car, and you even can understand it with the price. It's starting at $285,000 and maximum spec costs $700,000. And before we will go deep to details, let's have a look on exterior, on interesting moments in it. Yeah, so front part is so aggressive, just look on it. Yeah, here you can see some Escalade moments, Escalade lights, but we have much more another lights here in the hood. Also light bar there. And also here we have steel bumper. It's just amazing. This car is really ready for apocalypse. Here we have 22-inch wheels, and tire size, they're 35-inch. And if we will go to rear tires, you will be shocked, especially if you watch it from this point of view. 375, like on hypercar, yeah? And this is SUV hypercar. If we're comparing it with regular Escalade, if we're talking about exterior, here we have absolutely another type of doors. So opening it here, and of course bulletproof glasses. Oh my god guys, so a lot of crazy details in this SUV. Just have a look on rear part. I really love how it looks. It's very minimalistic and aggressive, and for me very difficult to choose which part looks better and more aggressive, front part or rear part. Please leave us your thoughts in comments. This REZVANI Vengeance goes with a military package, and with military package you're getting a lot of interesting details like 7 helmets and other armor things like this, for example, with REZVANI badge. So yeah, military package really helps you to be ready for everything. When you are ordering your Vengeance, it can be without armor. And this one with military package, it's already armored B4. And if you want B6 Plus, you need to pay $30,000 more, and you'll be like fully protected. And right now, guys, we're in REZVANI showroom. Just look how beautiful here. And also here we can see some interesting cars. So this is prototype of REZVANI supercar. Soon it will be unveiling and we will see another beast from them. And the name is REZVANI Beast, which is interesting. And here we have previous generation of their monster SUV. So it's called REZVANI Tank, and I'm very proud that my friend Samir Sadykhov is made a design for this car, yeah, and it's absolutely amazing, very unique, and maybe exactly this car we were filming like 2 years ago, so this one should be with compressor around 1000 horsepower. So the hood is really heavy, guys, because it's armored too. Ooh. Ooh. So guys, here we have standard engine, so you don't need to pay any extra money for it. It's V8 6.2 with 420 horsepower. Also, second engine is diesel one 3.0 with 270 horsepower and almost the same torque like on this V8 6.2. And for diesel engine, you need to pay $3,500. And now let's talk about two most interesting engines for this crazy beast. So V8 6.2 with compressor, 590 horsepower. This option will cost for you $55,000. And most powerful engine is V8 6.2 with 810 horsepower, and this option costs $125,000. Weight of standard REZVANI Vengeance without any armor is 2 tons and 800 kilograms or 6,200 lbs. Then with B4 armor, the weight is 3 tons and 200 kilograms, and with B6 Plus it's 3 tons and 700 kilograms. And you know, I think it's still not so heavy even with B6 Plus armor, especially if you choose most powerful 810 horsepower engine. Right guys, welcome inside. And of course inside you can easily see that, yeah, it's based on Cadillac Escalade with all this multimedia system, dashboard. Yeah, also we have a car with 7 seats, but if you want you can make it, you can order it with 8 seats. And right, closing our bulletproof glass, we can hear it that it's really bulletproof. Here I have a button with tactical lights, which switching on those light bar in exterior. And also, look here guys, so a lot of crazy buttons. So these buttons, they're about lights, stroboscopes, shocking doors, very interesting button when you're activating it. If somebody wants to jump to your car, if you're inside and somebody is taking handle, this person will feel some electroshock, yeah? That's crazy. Magnetic deadbolts, they're activating special bolts inside of your doors, and with these bolts it's impossible to open your doors from outside, so you're absolutely safe. Also here we have smoke screen, so it's like octopus feature, yeah, and it helps you to run away from somebody. And new feature, pepper spray. Features, they are situated on the mirrors here and there, and yeah, it's like real pepper spray. It's really so lot of crazy options here. It's impossible to tell you about all of them because it will take around 1 hour. This is about REZVANI. Here we have intercom system to talk with audience. Hey guys, how are you doing? Link below. Follow, subscribe please, right? Thanks. Also here we have intercom system. Oh yeah. Save for some special features that you want to save. Yeah guys, welcome on board to REZVANI Vengeance. So let's try this beast on the road. But as you remember, exactly this one is armored, it's B4 and standard engine V8 6.2. And my first feelings that of course it's better to take maximum optional engine, because with this one, you know, it goes pretty good, but I want more power here. I remember when I was driving REZVANI tank with compressor engine, it was more than enough, it was very fast. Yeah, super quiet inside because of bulletproof glasses and all this armor. Also here we have Kia. Kia, how are you doing, man?
Doing good, my man, doing good, thank you.
Okay. But guys, you know, it's just an amazing feelings of driving like military car. This is really something special. I love it, guys. I love it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our fast review with all new REZVANI Vengeance. I'm really fan about this car if we're talking about exterior, and so I want very soon to show you two more things. First one, to take it to the off-road, and second one, to film it with maximum 810 horsepower engine. So if you're talking about this car, it costs $420,000, yeah? Pretty huge price, but for this price you are getting a real military car, and this is very, very interesting. Thank you so much for watching us. Huge thanks to REZVANI company for opportunity to film it for you, and see you soon somewhere else.